So just summarize up a whole bunch of things we've talked about. Dynamic equilibrium. What is it? It says that, hey, these things get to equilibrium, but it's not that whatever NO2 is formed, nitrogen dioxide is formed, is always there. Some of it's going back and being broken up into nitrogen monoxide and oxygen gas, and some of the nitrogen monoxide is colliding with the O2, forming the nitrogen dioxide. And so it's always going on. It's going back and forth. Dynamic equilibrium, understand how it works. So once again, these things are going and making these, but it's happening at the same rate at which those are breaking down into those. Equilibrium constant, you should be able to write an equation for it. So we're given a balanced chemical equation up here. So Kc is going to be equal to products. So the right side to the power over the reactants, the left side, the power, and that's our equilibrium constant. Remember that we just put in gases in aqueous solutions, and then you should be able to calculate if you're given concentrations, or let's say you're given concentrations of two of the things and you're given Kc, you should be able to find the concentration of the last one. Oh, that's a 0.542. Worry about units. Squared. 127. That's in the wrong spot. That would be bad. You gotta get in the right spot. 15 point. Oh, I put them all in the wrong spot. That happens. So you gotta check and make sure you're getting the right concentration in the right place. So I need product, which is 15.5 molar squared. On top, my NO is supposed to be the 0.0542. I need to square that, and my oxygen is 0.127. Get out my calculator, make sure I'm using my calculator correctly. Three sig figs, so 644 times 10. The fifth is my Kc. Then the magnitude of Kc. Kc was really big, over 10 to the third, and so the products are going to be favored, which makes sense because it was mostly product. If Kc had been really small, then the reactants would be favored, and if it was close to 1, then neither would be favored. But that just doesn't tell you the rates. It's just telling you what is formed.